Hey, I'm with Steven here, and we've got another great tip for designing BI systems that people in your company will love using.
Gamification, right? You got to make it fun to hit that number that you're looking for to beat your high score.
Oh, yeah. I mean, gosh, why not? I mean, we spend tons of time playing these dumb little phone games, and they don't even do anything, but we really want to beat our score, right? And because we see it there, we see some reaction. That's big time. And if we can bring that into our work environment, have some healthy competition, uh, these are way more now the BI system becomes way more than just a number tracking system. It's it's a game. It's hey, I want to do better than we did last week.
Yeah, yeah, it drives celebration of like your company's successes, right? Like it's the tangible, it's not just a gut feeling, hey, we're doing well or we're doing better than we were. You're actually seeing the numbers increase. So if you write it and show it and display it in a
Mm.
way that allows people to celebrate that success and not beat them up when, hey, the numbers are low, but to drive like, hey, we did it. We hit that 74%, whatever it is, right? Like those are the most successful systems.
Oh man, I love it.